Hey guys, how's it going? This is the Helpful Lockpicker here. In the video I have for you today is a challenge lock that's called No Load, made by Bearsback. Here's the bidding on the key, and we're going to get this lock open in just a minute, so please stay tuned. Alright, let's see what it takes to get No Load by Bearsback opened up. It looks like it's a quick set lock with the KW1 keyway. It's probably a 5-pin lock. The key to the lock works very well. It's nice and smooth, and we'll see what it takes to get this lock open. Typically when I work on a quick set lock, what I will use is top of the keyway tension in 50 thousandths, and then I will use a standard hook in 25 thousandths. And let's see what it takes to get this lock open. I click on one. Two feels pretty bound up but not going anywhere, so I'm going to move on to 3, 4, touched 5, got a small false set. 1, touched 2, got a small false set. 2's giving me a little bit of counter rotation. That may be set. 3, click on 4, click on 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. See, 2, counter rotation, got a big click on that. 3, 4, 5, let's go to 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now let's see where we're at. Let's go 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, counter rotation, and now I got a bigger false set. 5, counter rotation, got a bigger false set. There's just so much variability to these pins, and they do feel like I'm hitting serrations. I don't know if it's in the chambers or not, but I swear there's probably at least 1 or 2 pin-in pins in here. This is just feels like that to me, because now I'm getting all this counter rotation on every pin. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4 opened us up. So I don't know what's in here, but my guess, I don't know, there must be, first of all, it must have serrated chambers, which if anyone knows me, they know that I am not a big fan of that, but I will tough it out and do it. I feel like there's at least 1 or 2 pin-in pins in here. I just keep getting so much different feedback when I am picking them that I don't know. But you know what? That's the fun. We are going to find out. So let's pop off the circlip here, and we will see what's inside. My favorite thing is guessing what's inside and just being completely wrong. And I have no problem with being wrong and showing my flaws. So I'd love to see there be something really silly in here. Alright. Okay, so this is just being a little bit annoying. Okay, so alright, so now this lock is seized up here. Oh, maybe, this is probably one of those like riveted cores, and now one of the pins is stuck. I guess I'm going to have to try to pop this cap off to get this lock apart. luckily I do have a screwdriver. I guess we'll just go from there. Alright, so we're going to do a top gutting today, guys. Alright, so let's see what we got. We got all steel springs. Alright, so 1 through 5 we have steel springs. Then, let's see. Driver pin 1. Oh, yep, that is a pin and pin. 2. Spool. 3. Oh, I can already see that he serrated the chambers. Hold on, 3's stuck. Maybe that's the one that's not wanting to come out. 4 is a spool. 5's a spool. And 3 is stuck. Let me get something that we can try to get this unstuck. Okay. Oh, yep, 3 was a little pin and pin. Okay. So let's take a look at that. We'll get a better view of the pins in a minute, but that's pretty cool. Now let's get out the key pins here. One's a serrated. Two's a standard. 3's serrated. 4 is a standard. 5's a standard. I can see that in 1, 3, and 5, maybe? 1 and 2. I don't know if you'll be able to see or not, maybe if I zoom in a little bit, is got some threading in there. In 1 and 2, yeah, you can see that a little bit. And then 5 looks like it might have some undercutting to it. And this is what the driver pins must have been getting caught up on. It must have been that sticking out part, like the T-pin part on the pin and pin must have been getting stuck there. But this is a pretty cool lock. I'll get some better pictures of this up for you guys, but in summary, what we have is a serrated in 1, standard in 2, serrated in 3, standard in 4, and standard in 5. And both those serrated key pins are really nice. Then we have a pin and pin and driver pin 1, a spool in 2 over a nice short key pin. Then we have a pin and pin in 3 over a nice tall key pin, and then a spool in 4 over a short key pin, and a spool in 5 over a moderately length key pen. So this lock was a lot of fun. I recommend anyone that opens it up in the future immediately uses a shim. If you see the lock no load, make sure you use a shim because you do not want to have to top gut this lock. But this lock was a lot of fun. I really enjoyed working on it. Bearsback, thank you so much for making this lock. It was a lot of fun, and I hope you all enjoyed it. If you guys have any questions or suggestions, please leave them in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video and you'd like to see more like it, please subscribe. As always, thank you so much for checking out this video, and I hope you all have a great day. Thank you so much.